Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Having Fun with Fashion Over 50. Now on today's video, guys, I have my very first UK box to open and share with you. And it is called Look Fantastic. And I'm going to say that was exactly the words I would use when I pulled this box out of the mailer that it came in. I thought it was just a gorgeous, beautiful box. So first impression, I'm already pretty well taking to this box. But you're probably asking, what is this box? And I have never heard of this. I've never seen anybody else open this. If I have, I've forgotten about it. But I read about it on an article that I was reading online, and this was one of the top 10 beauty boxes of 2019. So I decided I'm going to give it a try, or give it a go, as they say over in the UK. Now, this costs $19 and is free shipping worldwide. I'm going to say off the top of my head, from the UK to my house in Ohio, it took somewhere around 8 days to get here. But I will leave down at the bottom of the screen the actual transit time. But what you get is you will get 6 beauty products. And it is either going to be hair care, skincare, and or makeup. But from what I'm understanding, is a very strong skincare line box. So I'm excited about that. And also you will receive the newest and latest edition of ELLE magazine in this too. What else is there? You can cancel anytime you want. And also they've given me a 15% discount. If anybody wants to take advantage off your first box, you'll also get 15% off your first box. So that would be a good discount to take advantage of if you want to try this for your first time. And that will be down below. Okay, so with all that said, let's go ahead and open it and see what they sent. Now this is the way it looks. Like I said, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful box. And this is the way it looks when you open it. This looks like a little brochure. I'm going to guess this is all the items that it's included in this box. And here, the ELLE magazine I was telling you about. Very nice, thick magazine to check out. Looks like a lot of good fashion details. Ooh, I just seen an article about Debbie Harry. Ooh, I love Debbie Harry. She was one of my favorites back in the day. Okay, so here's what it looks like on the inside. This is gorgeous, a gorgeous box. And here's what it looks like when you open it up. Wow, that is gorgeous package. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and I'm going to go through each item. I've already showed you the magazine, so we're going to move on with that. Okay, I'm going to read this first to you guys. This one is called the Hygge edition. And that is what they're calling this box this month. And it says, we're taking a step away from our busy day-to-days this month with our Hygge edition. H-Y-G-G-E. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. This month is all about finding comfort and contentment in life's simple pleasures. Our November Beauty Box contains 6 products to help you pamper yourself, adding a self-care ritual into your daily or weekly routine. This edition of the Beauty Box Edit is all about slowing down your daily routine, ensuring that you take the time to enjoy all things cozy. We're taking a bit of the time ourselves this month and hope you do too. Okay, so that's nice. Okay, here is the first product that I'm taking out. And let me find the information on this. This is called a Konjac sponge charcoal. And what is this? This is the So Eco Konjac sponge. And the estimated worth, which is in pounds, it's 7 pounds. And it says, this is a sponge made from vegetable fibers of the Konjac plant. This 100% biodegradable sponge helps to gently cleanse and exfoliate with every use. Designed to help balance the pH of the skin, this sponge is suitable for all skin types. How to use. Rinse the sponge under water until fully expanded. Apply cleanser to the sponge and massage onto skin using circular motions. It looks very easy to open. I'm going to open it and show it to you guys. Oh, wow. Oh, it's already nice and soft. I thought it would be hard. Oh, nice. Here's what it looks like. Has a little string on it, so I'm assuming you go like this and scrub. Oh, it's already nice and soft. It's wet like. I wasn't expecting that. No smell. All right, so let's move on to the next product. This is called Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, and it is worth 8 pounds. And it says, get a great night's sleep with this pillow spray. Proven to help you fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed and infused with a super blend of lavender, vervet, and chamomile. This pillow spray helps to calm the mind and body, helping you to sleep. How to use. Spray a fine mist over your pillow before you go to sleep. Well, I'm just curious what this smells like. Ooh, very nice. Oh yeah, you can smell the lavender. Ooh, I really like that. I'm going to be using this tonight for sure. Okay, here's another product out. And this is, let me find it. I'm going to hold it up for you guys. This is Dr. Botanicals Hemp Infused Natural Nutrition Moisturizer. And this is worth 12 pounds. And it says, with the hemp seed, dill, and cocoa butter, this all-day moisturizer protects, nourishes, and hydrates the complexion. Containing 2% hemp seed oil and whipped moisturizer, provides essential fatty acids that help provide the skin with essential vitamins and minerals. How to use. Apply to clean, dry skin, blending upwards in a circular motion to encourage circulation. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one and see what this smells like. Ooh, oh, I accidentally squeezed some out, guys. It's green. It is green, guys. Here, let me just rub that on my hand right there. Put that down. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. But when you rub it in, it goes right into the skin. Doesn't keep you green. I am loving these smells. A very fresh, clean smell. Ooh, yeah. I love a good moisturizer. I can already tell I'm going to like this one quite a lot. Good smell. Definitely a good smell. All right, so what else do we have? We have this product now, and this is called ESPA, and this is, let's see which way, yeah, you guys can see, smooth and firm body butter, worth 8 pounds 33. And this says, lather the body in this nourishing body butter, leaving skin soft and supple, enriched with hydrating larch and smoothing pumpkin seed extract. This body butter deeply moisturizes and evens skin tones. Delicately fragranced with rose, patchouli, and mandarin essential oils. Please forgive me if I'm saying some of those wrong. Indulge in a moment of self-care with this body butter. And it says how to use. Use morning or evening after showering, taking time to massage into skin. Okay, I got a lot of scents going on already. So I'm going to try to put it on another part of my body here so it doesn't blend with the other one. But it's like a white, oh yeah, it's like a butter. Body butter is a good description. It feels like I'm rubbing butter on my skin. Very nourishing and moisturizing. Oh, that's a lovely, I'm impressed. Oh, that's a lovely smell. Woo, these smell so nice and clean. Definitely liking that. Ooh, I'm gonna smell so good when I go. See, this is what I said. It is a skincare line, and that is what I'm liking because I have super dry skin and I need all the moisture fighting components I can get. Okay, now we have something else that looks like an oil. And this is called NUXE. See if that comes in close for you guys. This is called NUXE. And this is worth £4.50. And this is in just one step, achieve nourished, softer, comfortable skin, combining intense nutrition with subtle fragrance. This rich oil nourishes, repairs, and leaves a satin finish. Love every word in that sentence. It says, able to be used on the face, body, and hair. This multi-use oil is a cold weather savior. Yes, thank you. It says, apply daily in lieu of a moisturizer as an intense moisture hit. So I'm thinking right off the bat that this is going to be something to put on at nighttime before I go to bed. Like maybe rub it on my face, because in the daytime I don't think that would work. But yes, I'm very interested in this one. Let me see how this one smells. Very light, fresh scent again. All right. I should not have dry skin, guys, after this box. Okay, and here is the last item out. And this is called the Skimono Beauty Hand Mask. Hand mask. Yes, I will take a hand mask. For intense nourishment, worth £9.99. And it says, designed for hardworking hands, this unique mask soothes and moisturizes the hands. A unique biocellulose glove inspired by multi-layer kimono. This hand mask is saturated in a formula rich in shea butter, aloe vera, and hyaluronic acid to promote supple and smooth skin. Yes! How to use. Slip your hand into the glove, sealing it with the sticker tabs. Leave the gloves on for 20 to 30 minutes. Massage remaining serum into hands. Okay, well, that alone is... Okay, guys, right there my video cut out. I do not know why, but we were talking about this. I think I got to the end of this describing what to do, how you put it on, and you leave it on your hands for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, but as you can see, here's the empty box. That was all the products in the box. So I'm going to go over it again one more time. Here is the hand mask. Here was the Konjac sponge. I'm just going to hold them all up. Here is the Hemp moisturizing lotion. Here was the Dr. Brandt's, I think, body lotion. Is that who it was? Or no, this was NUXE lotion. Here's the ESPA lotion. And here is the Deep Sleep Spray Pillow. And also the ELLE magazine. So guys, my first impression is I am really loving this one. I'm going to probably end up doing another month of this one just because it gave me so much good skincare products to try out. And when I put them on, I felt high quality and I loved the way everything smelled. Okay, so let's wrap this video up. This is all the products you get. Like I said, I will leave a link down below. You get a 15% off your first box if you want to try it for your first time. And if you are liking my videos, please click the like and subscribe button. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.